Ceyear launched 3943B monitoring receiver. It is a portable high-performance receiver that can accomplish the search, interception, measurement, analysis, demodulation, direction finding, positioning, and backtracking monitoring tasks of radio signals. The thin and light body combined with the two-color injection process makes the appearance look simple and modern. The full-screen design without buttons makes less is more idea possible. The new interface design is more beautiful and modern. The new way of human-computer intersection makes operation as convenient as using mobile phones and tablets. Outstanding portable design adopts in many working scenarios. Ceyear 3943B is equipped with a high-performance pre-selection receiving module and integrated excellent signal processing functions, which makes the measurement easy and efficient. The monitoring frequency range is from 9 kHz to 8 GHz. The maximum analysis bandwidth is 20 MHz. The full-band pre-selected design can simultaneously meet the high sensitivity and large dynamic range testing requirements. Powerful multi-channel parallel walking mechanism can provide spectrum measurement, field strength, and demodulation measurement simultaneously. It supports many signal scanning methods, including fixed frequency reception, panoramic scanning, frequency scanning, and list scanning, which are recommended by ITU. It also equipped with practical tools such as waterfall chart and frequency marker functions. It has video restore function that reproduces the electromagnetic signals radiated from computers. It connects directional antenna by using horizontal scanning function that can determine the direction of the radiation source. Connecting with the multi-element direction finding antenna, the position finding function helps achieve high-precision direction finding with a maximum bandwidth of 20 MHz, and the direction finding accuracy can reach 2 degree RMS. The cross-positioning function can be used to indicate the location of the radiation source on the map. The product also provides record and playback functions, which is convenient to record and search historical data. It has outstanding industrial design, excellent hardware performance, extensive professional measurement functions, and a humanized operation experience. The 3943B monitoring receiver will surely become your best assistant in radio measurement field.
For more information, please visit the website of www.ceyear.com.